So it's Brendon and myself. We're coming live here from Florida, and today we have some fantastic news. You know that they say the definition of success is perseverance, and we've been building a concept for 4.5 years, and today Wealth Migrate has its own bank account.
Finally. How awesome is that? With Bank of America, look there.
We actually spent 4 hours yesterday in Bank of America. Yep, not an easy process.
We held them hostage until 7 o'clock last night because we started at about 2:30 in the afternoon. It was a little bit crazy, they were a bit irritable, but I must say they were super helpful all the way through the process.
So why is it important for you? Well, Wealth Migrate is now ready to go. We have an income plan bank account, and we've got a growth plan bank account. Now the growth plan, we've explained quite a lot. We've done the videos with RJ in Atlanta. That's taking advantage of the opportunities. There's massive opportunities. We're going to send out market reports on the funds that are coming in. I mean, how much money was that one fund spending?
About $140 million, and there was only one.
$140 million, they coming in. RJ actually has just sold them 18 properties. In fact, tomorrow he's getting rid of all his stock. So that's the real opportunity. You know, we believe that property, you know, it's not actually about investing in the property, it's about investing in people. And with the growth plan, it's putting money behind a person, it's putting money behind a team that is highly successful, highly efficient, that is well beyond what the rest of the market is doing. And we're going to buy property as aggressively as possible. We're going to renovate it, and then we're going to sell it on the open market. And with these big funds coming in, the market is rising. I'm not sure how long the opportunity is going to last, but certainly in the short term, there's a fantastic opportunity in terms of buy and flip. And they always say with buy and flip, you've got to know who the buyer is.
Absolutely, you've got to know who the buyer is. And what's even more important is having a quality partner on the other side, being able to do what they do exceptionally well and create returns for us.
Yeah, right through from the management, the whole bang shoot, so,
yeah.
And the renovation as well, and the quality they do it at's fantastic. So there's an opportunity. You know, you can get involved in buy and flip, but not necessarily having to worry about who your maintenance crew is, etc., because you've got a quality team on the ground. The second opportunity is our income plan, and that's a buy and hold. That's at least a 5-year view, and at the end of the day, you take a building like this. It's actually why we did the surroundings. And I mean, interesting enough, in this complex, it's 192 units. We can buy it. The bank is owed $14 million. They want $9 million, but a cash purchase, we can buy it for between $7 and $7.5 million. Now, just at a door value, what's that?
No, I'm just going to say that it's kind of raising the game a little bit. It's playing at a higher level, but it's because we have that crowdfunding mentality where we're coming together collectively to be able to play at that higher level. We can actually negotiate with the banks, whereas when you're on an individual at the moment, you've actually got a bit higher than the going price for a property to be able to buy it. Yeah, on the higher level, we can start bidding lower, we can negotiate, we have a lot more power to actually act.
Well, you know, we say the sweet spot is over $250,000 and less than $10 million. Because under $10 million, the big hedge funds are running around with more money than that. And above $250,000, you're out of the individual investors in terms of where you actually are. But the really interesting thing here is that 192 units divided by 7.5 million, you're looking at about $42,000 per door.
And we've got a mixture here of 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedroom units.
You know, and in current market values, again, just normalizing it, you're looking at about $70,000. You're buying immediate value. You can updo it. You can fix the tarmac, the lawns, and everything, which means you don't even have to rely on the market. There's a 91% occupancy, so you've got a net yield of between 11 and 12%. And really, the thing that blows this opportunity out of the water is that we've got financiers. I'm flying to New York on Monday to finalize it, where we can get financing conservatively at 50%. They actually believe it can go as high as 70% loan to value. I don't think we want to be that aggressive.
But we all know financing is financing. It's all about the interest rate and how variable is it, and you know, that type of stuff. So give us a bit more information about that.
Because this is residential, although it's a commercial loan, it's deemed residential. We can get fixed 4.5% for 30 years.
That's unbelievable.
Now just for those of you who battle with maths, the net yield is 12%, fixed at 4.5% for 30 years. The difference is, you know, 6-7% basically, and even as high as 8%, and there's no risk because it's fixed for 30 years.
So it's absolutely phenomenal, and that's what we're trying to bring, and that's what we really want to be able to bring to as many people as possible, is that opportunity.
So in a nutshell, you've got the growth opportunity where we're expecting returns of around 25% per annum. The reason being is we've got phenomenal partners on the ground, and most importantly, property in America churns fastly. So we can do 4 projects a year with the same money. Sorry. then so that's the growth, and then the other one is the income. So this is a classic example. It's a big ticket number, $7.5 million. We've looked at smaller ones where there's a commercial opportunity with Dr. Dolph DeRoos, $450,000. Now it's a shopping center, 9 tenants, 18% yield. The other one we looked at in New York, it was a $1.4 million transaction. It's 12 residential units, 3 commercial units. Again, a net yield of about 14%. And again, we could finance that.
But unfortunately, we're a little bit slow getting our bank accounts, and that one was sold last week. So we lost it.
But the beauty is, and I'm glad you mentioned that, the bank account is open, the structures are set up, the partners are ready, the opportunity is ripe. The question is, are you going to be part of it?
That's the question.
We look forward to helping you really take advantage of the greatest wealth transfer I've ever seen in my lifetime.
And I'm so excited to be joining Scott and the team here in America to be able to take advantage of this opportunity.
So seriously, watch the details. Brendon's going to send them all out in terms of how you do it, the process, the bank account. Take advantage of some of the greatest trends that are happening worldwide. We're at the forefront. We can help you. Cheers.
Bye.